Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that could change your financial future forever. We'll be diving into the world of passive incomes, the secret to achieving financial freedom in 2023. In this video, I'll reveal 9 incredible passive income streams that have the potential to make you rich. So, let's get started. Segment 1: Real Estate Investments. The first passive income stream on our list is real estate investments. In 2023, the real estate market is booming, and savvy investors can generate substantial passive income by owning and renting out properties. Whether it's residential or commercial, investing in real estate can provide you with consistent cash flow and potential appreciation over time. Segment 2: Dividend Stocks. Next up, we have dividend stocks. These are shares of well-established companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn passive income in the form of regular dividend payments. The key here is to pick stable companies with a track record of increasing dividends over time. Segment 3: High-Yield Savings Accounts. For a low-risk option, consider high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow passively over time. Although the returns may not be as high as other investments, it's an excellent option for those who prefer safety and liquidity. Segment 4: Peer-to-peer lending. If you want to be a lender and earn interest, then peer-to-peer lending is worth exploring. Online platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, and you can invest in small portions of various loans. As the borrowers repay their loans with interest, you earn passive income from the interest payments. Segment 5: Royalties from creative works. Are you a talented artist, musician, or writer? If so, your creative works can become a source of passive income. Through platforms like streaming services, ebook marketplaces, and licensing deals, you can earn royalties whenever your creations are consumed or used by others. Segment 6: Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and profitable way to generate passive income online. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through unique referral links, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your link. With the right audience and marketing strategy, this can become a lucrative passive income stream. Segment 7: Digital Products and Courses. In the digital age, creating and selling online courses and digital products has become an excellent source of passive income. Whether you're an expert in a specific field or have unique skills to share, people are willing to pay for valuable knowledge and resources. Segment 8: Rental Properties on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, consider listing it on Airbnb. The short-term rental market is booming, and with proper management and hospitality, you can earn significant passive income from tourists and travelers looking for unique accommodations. Segment 9: Automated Online Businesses. Last but not least, consider starting an automated online business. With the right systems in place, an e-commerce store, a dropshipping business, or a software product can generate passive income with minimal day-to-day involvement. There you have it, 9 powerful passive income streams that can pave your way to financial freedom in 2023. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and smart decision-making, but the potential rewards are well worth it. Which passive income stream excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, thanks for watching.